How to get rich online. That's exactly what we're going to talk about today. So make sure that you stay tuned and cue the intro. So, you want to know how to get rich online? Let me tell you exactly how you should do this. So, first of all, there are a ton of different ways to make money online. You've probably seen them all over the internet. So many people are doing this, making so much money online, and you're wondering how they even got there. How are they making so much money? So there are a ton of ways to do this. To name a few, there's Amazon FBA, Shopify, which is basically e-com, but you can do drop shipping. And then there's the one that I usually do is affiliate marketing. And there are a ton of other ways to do this as well, but these are the main ones. These are the ones that are most common, and yes, you can absolutely make money online. So one thing that's common to all these people that actually made money online and are making a killing online is that they stuck to something long enough. You see so many people that have the shiny object syndrome, and I was one of these people in the past. I was absolutely guilty of this. But a lot of people start something, maybe they're learning something, they're learning a skill to dive into one of these projects to actually make money online. And you see them chase one thing, and then they see this other opportunity that looks absolutely amazing, and they start chasing that one instead. And then when they start that one, they see something else and they chase something else. And that doesn't work like that. You really have to do something and stick to it and just stay there until you're making a killing. And trust me, you're gonna see me on YouTube for a long time, a very, very long time. So you're gonna see me again and again and again, day after day, week after week, year after year. This is one thing you have to understand is that you have to be willing to wait, well, not really wait, but put in the work long enough to actually make money. So maybe you have to be ready to do this 5 years, 10 years, 20 years, 30 years. No matter what time it's going to take you, you have to be willing to do that until the end. And if you're wondering if Amazon is saturated, or Shopify is oversaturated, or affiliate marketing is oversaturated. None of these are. You just have to put in the work to make sure that you start, you learn, and you do this. You don't want to get stuck into learning mode either. That's one of the big, big things that people get stuck in is they learn, they learn, they learn, and they never actually get started. So you really have to get started with that, put in the work, and just do something about it. And maybe at the beginning it won't work, which is highly likely. But if you don't do that, you're just going to learn from other people, which is great. But you should also learn while doing it, and that's the best way that you can learn. The other thing that I see a lot of people doing is that they don't do anything. They just want to make money online really fast. And that's the biggest mistake that you can do. I see this in so many Facebook groups all over the place. People are posting things on these groups, asking, have you got a job for me? Can you just send me a program that will make me money? These don't even exist. People are responding to you, but these are all spams. So don't get into that. Just start doing something for yourself. Learn from wherever you can. Maybe it's this channel, maybe it's another channel, but you really have to put in the work and stop worrying about the quick money. Quick money is just not gonna work. If it does, it's gonna be very, very quick to come, but very, very quick to go as well. So don't do that. Go into the long run, and that's gonna make you the best money, and that's how you can start to become rich online. So getting rich online is absolutely possible. So many people are doing it. It just works. It's a fact. It just exists. So many people are doing it. You can even ask Tai Lopez, for example. He built his brand online, and I'm pretty sure that's how he made most of his money, and not by real estate or anything like that. And that's just an example, but I can give you millions and millions of examples. I can go on for days with people making money online. But it starts with believing it. You have to believe that you can actually do it. So many people don't believe it. And the best way to start believing it is you have to start putting in the work. There's no real secret. The more work you're going to put in, the more that you're going to believe that you can actually make this money online. Because if you don't believe it, you don't have the right mindset, and it's just not going to work. If you see people online doing this, why can you not do the same thing? No matter what country you're in, as long as you have a computer with an internet connection, you can pretty much make money online. And I say pretty much, but you can absolutely make money online. So, the more you want it, the more you're going to take consistent action. Now, I haven't been posting videos every single day, but I'm working towards it. But even then, I'm putting out so much content, multiple videos every single week, and doing as much as possible to put out content every single day. And that's one of the key things. You see all these people that are making money online, they are taking consistent action every single day. They don't miss out a day to go out partying with some friends and then they're hungover in the middle of the week not doing anything. They are putting in consistent action every single day. If you don't do this, it's just not going to work. So the more you want it, the more you're going to take consistent action. So if you're putting out videos every single week, that's a good start. But then start doing 2 or 3. And I'm talking about videos because YouTube is great for affiliate marketing. It's great for doing e-com as well. But no matter what business you're in, if you're not making videos, that's alright, but you have to put in consistent action. That's one of the most important things that people that are successful have. They always have this trait of putting in consistent action every single day. And yes, you can take a weekend off if you're tired of it, but I highly suggest that even on the weekends you have something coming out. I have videos coming out on the weekends. I don't film on the weekends, but I do have videos coming out on the weekends. So, the last thing I want to remind you of that I touched on this video earlier is don't just learn, and learn, because the best way that you're going to learn is by actually taking action. And then you'll see the mistakes that you have and just take it step by step by step. Don't go into step 9,000 before you take step 1. So step 1, learn what you have to do it. Then learn how to do step 2, do that, and just start doing that over and over and over again. And before you know it, you'll be in for the long run and doing consistent business. So don't worry if you're not having results right away, because that's where most people quit. If you quit before having any results, you're quitting too soon, because other people have this going on and have this figured out. So if you don't have this figured out and you're not making money, that is just because either you're not putting in enough work, or you haven't been doing this enough, or both. So make sure that you do this. Other than that, before I leave you, I just want to make sure that you do subscribe, because I'm here for a long time, just as I said, so you don't want to miss any of my videos, because I'm going to grow this channel like crazy. So make sure that you do subscribe, be one of the first people. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.